Wow, Uber and Lyft just introduced a huge ballot to protect drivers from becoming employees. Am I gonna sign it? Find out in today's video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money and be better rideshare drivers. So in today's video, guys, I don't know if you've heard what's going on in Cali. I'm in California right now. Essentially, the government is trying to reclassify gig workers as employees, and Uber and Lyft just launched a $90 million defense, I guess. They just proposed a new ballot for drivers to keep drivers independent along with all these other things. I'm gonna go ahead and look over it and possibly even sign it. So if I agree with what they're proposing. So I'm gonna go ahead, sync up my phone here. By the way, guys, quick little intro. My name's Dylan. I am a driver for Uber and Lyft, and also a YouTuber who now makes videos about Uber and Lyft. Basically my experience. I run this channel. There's some other people on this channel too. You know, you'll see them from time to time, but I just want to say, this is the Rideshare Hub, a place for drivers to come together and learn how to make more money. People just in general to come together to learn about the gig economy. Maybe you're on the fence, maybe you're thinking about signing up for Uber or Lyft or whatever, or DoorDash, I don't know, who cares at this point. any side hustles, that's what we talk about here. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to destroy all those buttons so you can be notified and you can finally have a place that you can trust and rely on with valuable news. So here we go, guys. Let me just move it over here so I can put my screen up right here. All right, let's get started. Here we go, guys. This is from Lyft. All right, so here we have it here, guys. Here are the tabs. This is the big updates tab, referred driver, new view predicted areas, new easier access, improvements to destination mode, share your location with family, new safety education, preserve flexibility and get protections. Oh, that's the one. Here we go, guys. California recently passed AB 5, a law that could threaten your ability to earn income on your own terms. Uh-oh, I want to be able to earn income on my own terms. Lyft and other platforms just filed a 2020 California ballot measure to preserve your freedom and provide new protections and benefits. Join us. All right, let's do it. Let's join. Let's join them. Here we go, guys. Whoop whoop. Protect app-based drivers and services. Ding 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 ding. Join California rideshare and delivery drivers and support the Protect App-Based Drivers and Services Act. Sign up today to protect the right of app-based rideshare and delivery drivers to work as independent contractors with historic new driver earnings and benefit guarantees. New driver earnings? I want new driver earnings. Let's look at them first. Before I sign my life away, join the coalition. Let's read a little bit more before I decide whether or not I do want to sign, okay? A new law passed by the legislature in 2019 jeopardizes our freedom to work as independent contractors. We are app-based rideshare delivery drivers who support a new ballot measure because it protects our legal right to work as independent contractors in control of when, where, and how long we work, while improving the quality of on-demand work by establishing historic new earnings and benefit guarantees. The facts. Let's look at the facts, guys. Always do a fact check. We support a historic package of rights, benefits, and protections for drivers like us. Protects driver flexibility and independence. Okay. Establishes an earnings guarantee for drivers with the ability to earn even more. I want to do that. The next one. Well, protects driver flexibility and independence. Okay. One, I want that. Establish guarantee, earnings guarantee for drivers with the ability to earn even more. That's the second one, I'm down for that. 3, requires new benefits, such as a healthcare stipend and compensation for on-the-job injuries. Yes, you guys know me, I get injured all the time. I've had surgery twice on my knee already. The next one, implements additional safety protection for drivers, passengers, and all Californians. Wow, just Californians in general? protects access to affordable and convenient rideshare and delivery services. Oh, there's 2 ways to sign? Okay, you know what? This sounds amazing. I drive with Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. I actually am signed up for Postmates as well. Anything else? I don't know. Let's do this, guys. I don't want to type. Oh, what the heck? Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna edit fast forward through this because I don't want you guys to see all my information, but here we go. Boom. I thank you for joining. Please help by answering a quick 3-question survey, okay? I have a separate part-time job. Yes, I do. Next. What's the next survey? My age is over 55. Just kidding. Choose all that apply. I'm a student. I'm retired. I'm a veteran. I'm none of those. How many trips and or deliveries have you completed? 1 million. Thank you for joining the Coalition to Protect App-Based Drivers and Services. Share it with your friends. Okay, should I actually share this on Facebook? Alright guys, so there you have it. I did sign up to drive, or to join the coalition. I just got a text though, as you can see here. Reply yes to confirm your subscription. Alright, let's reply with yes, and let's see if they respond too. Oh, they did respond. Thank you for joining the Coalition to Protect App-Based Drivers and Services. Boom. So, I just wanted to say, the reason why I did sign, guys, is because I personally do not want to be an employee. I don't want to have a boss. I don't want to have set schedule. I don't want to have... Yeah, that's pretty much the main reason. I love the fact that I can go on. You guys have seen my earnings. I go on and drive for like all day on Friday or all day on Saturday, and that's it. Like, I don't want to drive Monday through Friday. You know, I want to drive on my own schedule. I do a bunch of different things on the side. You guys have probably known I've been working on my company, and it takes up a lot of time. You know, I still don't make any money with that company. You know, 0 profit, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much, probably negative profit. But I still, you know, sometimes I need to work all night on that thing, because I think that in the future I probably will, hopefully will make money with it. You know, that's the point. But with that being said, if I have to drive like a set schedule, you know, that's the reason I started Rideshare in the first place. And so that's the reason why I signed the petition. I would like to hear from you guys. Are you gonna sign, or not the petition, the ballot? What I don't even know what I just signed. Did I sign a petition, or was that the actual ballot? I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys, if you guys are gonna sign it or not, whether you think that was a good idea that I did. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please leave the video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also make sure to destroy the subscribe button so you are notified every single time I do post videos. Again, my name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thank you all so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great and amazing day, guys. Later, guys. Peace.